morning. It is 9 o'clock. 23 degrees. It's really cool. Today's route is 264 kilometers. And it will take me to Luang Prabang. It used to be the main capital of Laos. Then they moved it to Vientiane. Should be a very nice city, and the route of today will be all mountain roads. Close some zippers so I won't get too wet. What a view. Pauze. Slippery. This is so slippery. Look how he's sliding. That's some serious mountain over there. What a nice city. It's a small city. I think it's about 50,000 inhabitants. Hope to have a room. This is the oldest temple in Laos, dated 1580, completely made out of wood. Good morning. It is just a little bit after 9 o'clock, 29 degrees. And I'm going to the Kuang Si Waterfalls. It was raining last night, so it's not that hot. It's about 30 kilometers out of town. And a lot of tuk-tuks and buses go there with tourists. There are so many butterflies in Laos. A few days ago while riding, I counted the butterflies I saw on the road. It was on average it was like 10 every kilometer. Here it's far more. So that's probably around 2,000 butterflies I see during my trip. And also here, a lot of butterflies, little yellow ones, white ones. Well, it's quite convenient. I parked my bike right there, and they transport all the people that come here to visit with electric cars. Good thing I came so early, because now it's really getting crowded. But it's a really nice waterfall. I was lucky with the weather. When I came here, the sun was shining like now, and a little bit later it started to rain and thunder. But yeah, I was already wet from swimming, so I didn't mind. Actually, it was quite special to swim in the rain in a waterfall in Laos.